So let's talk about the big picture of micro teaching. If you apply micro teaching to your teaching or put micro teaching in your teaching toolbox, so to speak, what it allows you to do is it allows you to look at the big picture, right? The big picture of teaching. You have all these things you have to accomplish. Micro teaching allows you to look at the elephant in small bites. How do you eat an elephant? One bite at a time. So what that allows you to do is when you micro teach, you can actually plan better. When you micro teach, you can actually use needs analysis to inform that planning. And what that does is not only does it inform your daily lesson plans, but it informs your weekly plans, it'll inform your 15-week plans, your semester plan, and it will inform your yearly plans. It allows you to, in the future, select the correct textbooks. So you're not wondering what type of textbook. And we're moving from this idea of what publisher we should buy versus the actual book, the content of the book, regardless of the publisher. Micro teaching, what it really does is it allows you to interact with your students in a manner where you're moving from teacher to facilitator, where you are modeling the expected outcome and you're looking at whether the student is able to execute that expected outcome. And hopefully you are recording it if you can, if you have the permission from your school to record it. And if you do not have the permission from your school to record it, you are journaling that experience for each student. And basically this is learner profiling. It's figuring out the needs analysis for your students, your individual students, and for your class or your classes, so you can make the best teaching decisions. You can make what we call data-driven decisions. So micro teaching, again, allows you to slow the process down, deal with one skill, one outcome, one objective at a time, and allows you to practice with that student where you model that expected outcome, and then the students get the chance to reproduce it, and then talk to each other and work with each other and reproducing what you modeled.